Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Bowers, and I will be teaching Read 595 Advanced Studies in Preparation for the Comprehensive Exam. Ray, you're almost there. So close. Just in a few short weeks, you'll be done with this course, and as long as you're successful and you pass Read 581, you will be with those happy smiling faces in May, and I sure hope you do come back in May for graduation. And so now you know, teaching reading is rocket science. And that was something that was said by Louisa Cook-Moats a very long time ago in a report that I don't know if you have heard of or not. And it was the National Reading Panel that came out with their findings on what to teach, what we should be teaching in reading. And so you just need to know that you now are specialists. You are going to be experts in your field. Most folks have 3 units in how to teach reading. You will have had 30. So teaching reading is rocket science. So what should you expect in Read 595? So let's go over those course activities. 1, you should expect that you'll be completing a reading knowledge-based framework and once again revisiting your definition of reading. You'll be reviewing authorities because those are folks you'll need to know and be able to cite on the exams. We'll be doing some question analysis and outlining, so you'll be very good at making sure that you answer the question. I'll be providing you with some writing tips. You'll be completing 2 theory to practice forums or blogs, which you've done in other courses, but this is where you're really beginning to tie it all together. You'll be doing at least 2 practice papers, which will be provided. You'll be provided with feedback. You're encouraged to do all 3. You will be given a peer review opportunity, so you will be looking at a colleague's practice paper as well and providing them with feedback. So it will help widen your breadth of knowledge on the topic and also consider other ways to answer questions. And the bottom line, the comprehensive exam is in 2 parts. The first is an APA referenced essay with 2,000 words max. That's the take-home exam. You'll have 2 weeks to complete that exam. And the other is a timed essay where you'll come to campus or you can use a proctoring service. And that essay you have 2 hours from start to finish to complete. So let's continue our overview. Again, this is Read 595, which is known as Advanced Studies, but really we all call it the Comps Exam class. It's a 10-week course, and there are some important dates I'll review on the next slide. And your grade is a combination of the take-home essay and the in-class essay, which in a separate PowerPoint I'll go over the syllabus and how that's calculated. And what you need to know is that you can only take the exam if you have completed 2 practice papers and 2 forum posts and provided peer review feedback to one of your colleagues. Otherwise, you just won't be prepared for the exam. So let's look at those important dates. This semester, October 10th, it's a Saturday. This is an optional meeting. You don't have to come. It's in LH 320A. It's where you could get comfortable in the lab. We'll also be picking ID numbers so that we mask so the folks grading the essays have no idea who is who. And it's where you can receive feedback on your last practice paper and ask any last questions you may have. October 17th is when the take-home referenced essay question will be posted on Titanium. The paper will be due October 31st at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and it will be, those of you that are taking the class hybrid or face-to-face, it will be hand-delivered. Those of you that are taking this virtually, you will submit online. October 31st is when you will come to class or you will take it virtually, and that's the timed essay. It's 2 hours for the time of distribution to when you're printing, and many also submit by email just to be safe. If you're using the Proctor service, then it comes in for sure by email through the Proctor service. So the 3 most important things you need to know. One, you have the knowledge you need. You've had 2 years of study, and the questions are designed to showcase what you have learned. We aren't out to try and trick you. We really want to know if you've got the depth and the breadth from the program. 2, relax. Be good to yourself. Maintain your routines. Make sure you've got some support at home. Make sure you tell everybody, look, got a big exam in 10 weeks. I need you to be supportive and help me out here. Husband, make some dinner. Wife, pick up the groceries. Whatever you can do there. And 3, most important thing, answer the question. If you don't answer the question, you can't pass the test. So in addition, as you prepare to complete the program, make sure you've submitted your grad check. For those of you also filing for the credential, you need to make sure you've got your 4 letters of professional references, 2 from professors, 2 from those who know your work as a teacher, and your verification of service. On any of that, you do need to have your years of teaching already completed. So if you don't have the years of teaching you need already, you can get all of that turned in once you do have the teaching that's required. And all of that is on the communities page. There is going to be a commencement, and we have a fabulous reception. We only offer that in May. We don't host that in December. You will be sent information. And you can check, once again, you can check communities in Titanium for all of the information that you need. And that's it. Please make sure you email me with any questions.